Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 300 ABS. This bike is a twin-cylinder 300 liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, lightweight sport bike. Fantastic for new riders or somebody who loves to carve the canyons on a super lightweight machine. Gorgeous condition, just 4,800 miles on this beautiful Ninja 300. Price to sell at just $44.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Make your motorcycle dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.